9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 0 times 0, 0. Let me write the answer here. 0. But is this correct? Absolutely not. To solve this type of questions, we need to follow a set of rules that is called the order of operation. The order of operation can be remembered by PEMDAS. Each letter stands for different operation. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, finally S stands for subtraction. According to this rule, we need to start multiplication before subtraction. So 9 times 9, 81. Let me write it. 9 minus 81 minus 9. Next, we have two subtractions. In this case, we need to start from left and continue our work to the right. So 9 minus 81 is going to be negative 72. Let me write it. Negative 72 minus 9. As you know, negative 72 minus 9 is negative 81. And this is the correct answer. Have fun.